Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel PowerPoint Chapter 1 Hand-on Exercise 1 Simulation Exam. So open the PowerPoint Chapter 1. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So PowerPoint chapter 1 hand on exercise 1 simulation exam. Click start and click launch. So open the PowerPoint chapter 1 hand on exercise 1 simulation exam. Total question 4. PowerPoint open the file PO PowerPoint documents. Click opens and click browse and click opens and save the presentation PowerPoint presentation with the name. Click files and save as. And click save and change the variants for the entire presentation green variant in the first row. So go to the design tabs and next one change the entire in the first row and click OK. And on the slides one title placeholder plugin 101. So select the titles and tap the plugin. On the slides 1 in the subtitle placeholder type the yes one running collapse. So question number 1 is complete and we move to question number 2. So question number 2 is with the slide 1 display insert the title and content slides as the slide 2. Insert the title and content. Title and content, click OK. On the slide 2 titles placeholder type earth day plugin fun run. So select the titles and earth. And next on the slide 2 in the content placeholder type the when April. So select the on the slide 2 content placeholder type So question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is With the slide to display the click new slides arrow home tabs on the new slides. In the new slides, click browse and locate and click choose and click contents. Go to the home tabs and click the new slides, and next new slides and click browse and click choose contents. Deselect the use formatting checkbox and insert the alls and close the use slides pane and click close. So I have done the assignments. Please click OK to submit the assignments. Click OK. So you can see the current score is 100% PowerPoint chapter 1 and on exercise 1 simulation exam. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.